Do you want to reset MS Word to default settings? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Preserve current settings before resetting Word. Resetting Word to default settings will delete the personalized configurations and customizations. So, you should back up essential files and templates beforehand. Open Word, then select File, then select More, then Options. In the Word Options dialog, click on Save. Enable Save Auto Recover information every minute. Select a time period from the options. Then choose a backup location. Confirm by clicking OK. For the safety of the documents, store multiple backups on various devices or cloud services. Method 2. Tweak the registry. Open Registry Editor using Windows Search. Navigate to computer/hk_current_user/software/office/your-word-version/word. Then right-click on the word and delete the word. Click on Yes to confirm. Exit Registry Editor. Now when you will open Word, you will find that it has been reset to its default settings. Method 3. Reset Word from File Explorer. Open File Explorer using Windows Search. See :users/yourname/appdata. If the app data folder is not visible, click on the View tab. Click on Show, then Hidden Items, then Roaming, the Microsoft, and then Templates. Right-click on the normal template. Then select Show More option and then delete it. Once done, exit File Explorer. Reopen Word. Now you should find that all the settings are reset to their factory defaults. And there you have it, the methods to reset Microsoft Word. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.